Hey, my Tea Party Squad, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello and welcome. I'm going to be sharing with you my ultimate Oops bundle by Also Paper. So if you want to see all the goodies, then stick around. All right, so I did get a lot of items, so I'm going to try to go through them really quickly. But the first thing I wanted to show you guys was this Cirque Noir washi tape. I did not know she did a washi tape themed for one of her subscription boxes. And so this was one of the subscription boxes that I missed out on. So the fact that I got some washi, I'm excited. Now the other items came in this nice clear pocket pouch that I definitely will be using to store all of my items. I also got this notepad with a little planner on there. A lot of the items you will probably see, you probably won't even notice the imperfections. I don't really notice any of them. Some of them are very noticeable, like that one maybe cut too soon at the bottom, but they are perfect in my eyes and they're still usable. I did get this Skateland postcard, which was one of the subscriptions that I missed out on, but I'm really glad that I was able to get one of these little postcards as well. I got another postcard, not for sure what subscription this came out of, but this was like part of like the Planner Friends release. And then in here, let's see, I got the sticker of the month, which is the month of April, which is the glamping monthly sticker. And I got magnets. You guys, if you have been watching me for a while in my subscriptions, you guys know I love to collect the stickers. And this sticker matches the postcard. I have to find out what month this came out of. And then I also got a Cirque Noir magnet. I don't have those two, so to add that to my collection, I'm super excited about that. So cute. And I love the color purple. It is so cute. Definitely will be going on my planner cart today. All right, so I did get a monthly sticker for Skateland. I really love that. So I do have a sticker for that one. Excited. I also got a monthly sticker for February of 2021. I got a Madam Vice President sticker. And this Stay In sticker, I do notice the oops in this where it was cut too soon at the top and then too close at the sides and also at the bottom. So some of them are very noticeable. Like this doll here, she looks perfectly fine to me. It's cut perfect. I'm not quite for sure what the oops is on this, but definitely will be using that. The same for this one, and also this one, I can tell it was cut too soon at the bottom and cut a little much at the bottom as well. This one, and I also got this sticker here. I got another one of those. I got a lot of these good stickers that looks good to me, but I can just imagine as a consumer and bringing out products, you want to make sure you're sending out, the best quality stickers. So I get it, but I'm definitely just excited that she did this ultimate oops. So I do have this sticker as well as part of one of my subscriptions. I do get this fall one. This one was also a part of February 2021. I did an unboxing of that. This one, I believe, is where the colors start to fade there. But all in all, and it was cut too soon, it looks perfectly fine. So I did get some Cirque Noir stickers. I believe that's my only one. I got some gold stickers with some days of the weeks. And I got some functional stickers. I have about 3, 4, 5 of those. I don't even notice the oops on this or the imperfection, but I'm still going to use it. I also got a coloring sheet. Actually, this came out of, like, you normally get like a coloring book in the subscriptions from last year. This was from June of 2020, but you used to get the coloring books. And so this is one of the sheets on here with nothing on the back. Then I also got some of these little notebook covers, like the Self-Care Love or the Self-Love Club. Definitely love that. That was also part of the February 2020. Oh, and I already have this cover, actually. This came as a notebook, and it was a subscription. I'll show you in just a minute. This is what it looks like. This was all that came in the subscription for that month. I believe it was May of 2020. Let me check. I believe it was. Let's see. Yes, May of 2020. So you got your sticker sheets and you got the coloring book and a notebook all in one. And that was a cover, but it looks fine to me. So I don't know. I'm definitely going to be using it though. The next thing that I got was a bunch of these dividers that came out of the notebook. Looked like it could be from the fall release. are the fall, one of the fall seasons are subscription boxes. So I'm definitely going to add that. But it looks like one of these little dividers that come in the notebooks like this, that has little tabs to separate the notebooks. But I'm going to cut these down and maybe share them with some planner babes, because I get 4 of the same sticker, or the same divider, sorry. And I get 4 sets. So I'm definitely going to be sharing those with some of my planner friends with some Happy Mail. Now these right here, you guys, are so cute. She also did, Danielle used to do these bigger notebooks, and I believe these are the covers of the bigger notebooks. Some of them are punched and some are not. Like this one that says, "Girl, you're a boss." That's really cute. Already punched, but I think I might cut that off and maybe put it in a frame. Then you'll get ones like Michelle Obama with the quotes, "Women support women." These are just really cute. You can always put these in nice picture frames and place them in your craft room, in your room. Some of these I will not be keeping. I will be sharing those with some planner friends that I know that will love them, that want to add them to their collection. And I just think that they'll like them. So I'm definitely going to be sharing those with some of my planner friends and sending them out as Happy Mail. And then I also got Miss Chloe. Definitely going to be putting her on there. I love this one because this one has a little planner, and she has like her little laptop where she's shopping for her order for Oso paper. Really cute. Oh, I love this. I missed the book nerd subscription as well, but I'm glad that I got that little cover. And anytime I see the 3 dolls together, it just reminds me of my 3 girls and also my planner friends who I talk to quite a bit. So love this. So I did get a lot of items in my Oops bundle. You guys will also be seeing me do a spread with some of my planner friends where we're going to be using our Oops bundles and using the stickers that we received in our bundles, so we can use up these stickers and shop our stash. But I just love it. So if you want to continue to see more of these videos from me, then make sure you click that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. And if you are one of my Tea Party Squad members, thank you for tuning in, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. And make sure to follow me on Instagram at Southern Tea Time. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.